student portal. That's the KNUST student portal. And when you type in, you wait to load. So it will come, which is student self-service login. You log in with your password and your username given by the university. So you are going to log in with your username, your password, and your student ID. So my username is Steven, that is so Onoma, and my password. Make sure you use your correct password, and also you use your correct student ID. Otherwise, you cannot access this website. Now we have the AIM app, but to access the virtual classroom, you shouldn't use the AIM app, but use the student service login to access that. So you input your password, your username, and your student ID as shown. So what you need to do, your password. So when I log in with my, so when you open the portal, this is what you see: profile, course registration, option change, registration slip, check results, access lecturers. What you now go is you search for virtual classroom. So you see virtual classroom, you go to virtual classroom. Yes. Now when you open virtual classroom, it's going to give you need to log in with your username and the password given to you by the university. So you log in with that, and when you log in with that, it's going to open another website, which is the virtual classroom. So with this virtual classroom, you can access your lecturers, upload your homework, download your homework, and even see your friends that are online. I think you can chat with them also. So now when you go there, this is the page. This is Steven Onoma. You go to I'm going to give you some features. We have all these features there. So today's video is on how to access homework, that is upload homework and also download homework. So when you go there, first you go to the course overview, and when you go to the course overview, you must choose in progress. That is the course you are doing in progress. So when you choose the course you are doing in progress, it means that the course that you've done previously and what you are doing now will show. So I'm going to take one course that they've given us homework, and I want to show you how I assess my homework. So you go, it is the course is mechanical behavior of materials. So mechanical behavior of materials. So when you go there, you can see that assignment 1 is given there, and we have announcement. So you can check whether the lecturer has given you any announcement or any announcement for the class. If not, you check for the assignment. So now when you go there, you check for the announcement. Well, let's check for the announcement and see there's no announcement, there's no general announcement. So you go back and you go to the assignment. So when you go there, you see that the assignment is in PDF form, so you can tap it. When you tap it, and it was given by 19th March 2022, and the deadline to be submitted, that's 6 days, left is 6 days 15 seconds. So you tap the assignment and it will download. As you've seen, you can see it from there that it is downloading. Yes. So if you want to upload, maybe you are done with your work and you want to upload it in a file form, so you change it to you maybe present the assignment, change it to PDF, you want to upload it. Now you scroll down and you see add submission. So you tap the add submission button. So when you type it, they are going to give you the ways in which, or the necessary file, that the amount of, or the file storage, or the file type of files that you can upload, and the maximum storage. Yes, the limit. So this, I think, is 256 mega. That's megabytes. Yes, megabyte. 256 megabytes. Yes. So you go back. So when you go to that submission, you just submit it and you see it. So this is the whole about the virtual classroom. Yes, as simple as that. So when you are done, you can just go back. You can customize it and change the color. That depends on you. You can do a lot of things here. So you watch this video and just log in to that, and maybe if you are when the lecturers give assignment, they will not let you know that there's assignment there. So mostly you must always be at the virtual classroom to see whether they've even there's any assignment for you. So you must always be there to check that. Yes, that is very simple. So when you are done, what you do is you log out. There's log out. After logging out everything, and make sure your credentials are very safe. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye.